Testing 1, 2. Hey, you know this one. Sing it with me. I'm not on an ego trip. I'm nothing on my own. I make mistakes. I often slip. Just common flesh and bone. Prove someday just what I say. I'm of a special kind. When he was on the cross, I was on his mind. Look of the love was on his face. Thorns were on his head. Blood flowed down his purple robe, stained in crimson red. Those eyes were on the crowd that day. He looked ahead in time. Yet when he was on the cross, I was on his mind. Sing it with me. He knew me, yet he loved me. Well, he whose glory makes heaven shine. I'm so unworthy, and all such mercy. Yet when he was on the cross, I was on his mind. When he was on the cross, I was on his mind. I was on his mind. An old time classic. Thank you. Okay, next.
The rock song.
Brother Big Man, listen, do you want to sing another one or two or not?
The rock song. Whatever you want.
Well, we're singing for Gary.
This is going to be the last one for me, folks, I promise you.
That's okay.
Ronnie Mercer wanted to hear this one. He said, I want to make sure you do this one. I like that song. So, a lady in the church in Mary's, what she calls it, the rock song. Be careful of stone in your throat.
It was so, this Hank Williams, but on there.
Sorry, Ronnie.
Oh, be careful.
Can't do
the
it. Must be dirt on her someday.
It's a dirty, it's a